So, okay guys, welcome all. So today we are going to discuss Selenium. What we discussed means last week, we are going to discuss in addition to that actually. So remember what we discussed last week? Selection, right? Static
Yeah, static selection.
selection. See, my requirement is I have Air India website with me, and initially Air India website will contain so okay, sorry. So it will be default something like this, right? It will be like this. So now I want to make adults to 2, children to 1, and infants to 1. So that is the requirement. So how can we make it? So initially adults will be only 1 and children will be 0 and infants will be 0, but now my requirement is make adults 2, children 1, infants 1. So that is the requirement. So what is our approach for this one? What to do first?
Static selection.
Static selection. So first always look for the inspection. So do the inspection using Firebug. Okay, so I'm just clicking. So just have a look here. So what are the things it has? The path. So here it has value. So 1 to 9. So we can do with 3 things. What are those things? Static selection. Select by value. Select by visible text. What is the visible text? Same thing, 1 to 9. Select by visible text. So one is value, select by value, and another one is select by visible text. And what is the third one? Select by index. So for each and everything we have index. So 0, 1, 2, 3, something like that. Okay, so our requirement first is make adults to 2. Okay, so let us write a script for it. So select class. So we are doing Air India. So what I am doing, I am just copying the whatever is needed. So the website is airindia.com. Okay, so what is the next step?
Also, you can change the WebDriver FA to here and there. Or, I mean, that is not necessary, but
So we need to first select the location. So this is the location for us. So, so what we need to do here, remember? So what they have taken web element, right? Is it true? Web element, ELE1, then FB dot find element by XPath. So the XPath. So we are given the XPath. Then what we need to do next? So we should select cell 1, new, select of ELE1. So what is next? So first what we have taken? We have taken the position of that exact element. Okay, that we have stored into ELE1 as a web element. Then we created a select. So when we create a select, so we should select this ELE1. So what is the next one? So cell 1 dot select by value. So what is the value? So we should select here 2. So 2 adults. So for children, so just look for the path for children. So this is the path for children. So it's very easy now. So just copy this code, entire code, and make this as 2, and this as also 2, and make this as 2. And here now
by index.
select by visible text. So visible text, what is here? We should select 1, right? Just a minute.
And also I think the XPath we have to change.
Yeah, XPath, yes, exactly. So next thing is just copy the same thing. Excuse me, sorry guys.
So we can either choose select by value, select by visible text, or select by index, right?
Index, exactly. So here we'll select by index. So what is the index we should select for children? So first for the infants. So what is the first one, index? So we should, so okay, let me check with 1. Okay. So for index, what it is showing for it?
One.
Yeah. So let me, so this is what we are trying to get out of it. So let me execute this one. Okay, XPath. So let me execute. It's taking time. Let it execute. So you can see here, it is still executing.
So if it takes longer time, what is the, if it, is it good if it takes long time, or
No, initially, because first time you are accessing this website, right?
getting it? Okay, okay.
Yeah, see now, able to see? Correct. But here infants, it has come as 2. Hello, everyone.
Yes, yes,
So able to see the result, right?
yes.
Okay, if you have a doubt, so when you want to see properly, so what you do is, so use thread dot sleep. So 5000 means it will wait for 5 seconds. Okay, so index I'll give 1. So initially 100, now it should be 211.
You are given add-on for 2, right? But it's showing 1.
Wait, it is not, see now, change it right to 2. This will make to 1. Yeah, now this will also make
I
2. Yeah, done. Trilok.
yeah, I'm seeing.
Okay, so whenever you want to see the result properly,
Actually,
so
it should have to
come again.
it should have to select 2 without selecting 1, right? It have to go to 2, right?
No, initially default value they are given as 100. This is 1 and this
Oh,
is 0.
default 1. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
okay, yeah. So that is the reason it was showing 1. So after that it is changed to 2.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Okay, now see here, if I click this one, it is giving some dates, right? If I click this one, it is giving some dates. So I want to select 15th. So how to select 15th? Just a second, I'll
By
show you.
using mouse over options.
No. So just click this one and this one. So first identify the location of this one. Canada, no? Just a minute, guys. Hello. Sorry guys. See how to identify this location by just clicking on the Firebug and this inspect element. Okay, so now we got this one. So take this one. So how to write the syntax? FB dot find
Find
element
element
by
by export.
export, double click this one, and here what we
Dot
need to
click.
do is we have to click it, right?
Yeah.
We have to click this one. So let us see whether we are able to click or not. Okay, so what I do is I'll just comment everything. So if everything is working fine, then we'll do. So let's execute. Sorry guys for the disturbance. My baby is playing. See, always this window is coming in a short form. So how to make it active? A large or maximize?
Uh, there is an option dot maximize
Yeah.
fb dot
See, able to
maximize
click this
dot.
one? See, once we click it, it has given the window. So now our target is click on 15th, right? So let us click on 15th and also maximize. So FB dot
Manage dot maximize, right? Dot maximize.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, Sanchita.
I was not able to hear you, so I thought.
No, I was on mute actually.
Yeah,
So now we have taken that path to select 15th. So let us see whether we are able to select 15th or not.
yeah. Shows how did you take the path to click 15?
Can you repeat, Sanchita? Bit loud.
Can you show us one more time how to take the path to click 15
Yeah,
on the
sure, sure.
calendar?
Okay, yeah, sure. I'll show you. See, able to select 15th. I did, so initially in your okay, so this is your page. Okay, so first thing is I want to select this date. So if I click on here, so it should give my, so you should give the dates. Okay, in this date we should select 15. So for that, click on your Firebug and go and select the departing. Okay, once you select the departing, so next thing is what? Select the 15th. So for that we select the date. So remember here, so we have selected this one and we clicked it. Now we should select the date. So to select the date, so just click like this and again select it. Once you select and go to 15. It's clear now?
Hmm. So after the date is the calendar is it has after that is clicked, then only we have to choose, right?
Yeah, exactly. So if this window has to be there, otherwise we cannot select the path for 15th.
Right.
So now, what is the next one? Once we select 15th, so assume that, so we are selected 15th. So what is the next one we should select?
The return.
Returning, right? So select the path for returning.
Again, now we have to give the returning path and click.
Exactly. So what I do now, I'll just copy this entire code. Now we'll select the X path. So next one is I should select some date. So what is the date? Return I should select 26th. So keep like this and go and select 26th. Okay, then take this path. Okay, so we have selected the path also. So close these things, earlier ones. So now execute once. So now it has to do maximize first. Yeah, maximize done, then date selected. See? Done our script. Hello.
Yes, Suresh.
Okay. So now if I want to select my previous code also, so now it has to be proper. So let me select the entire thing. So dates and the how many people it has to do now.
So it will execute the way we have written in the script. First, it will do the adult and children and
No, I have
statement. Then it will,
no,
or
I
it
have
doesn't matter.
no, I have done replacement, right? So initially I kept the dates, then later selecting the adults, children, and infants.
Okay, okay. So we have to follow the order then.
Yes, it's always good if you follow your script. Done. So what else we need to do now? We should select from and to, right? Am I right? Or so whatever we do now is a dynamic selection. See here, I'll just give go. See for go, how many things are available here? Here also go is there, and here also go is there. So which one we should select? That is a dynamic selection. Or see, I'll give a task to you guys. So remember, I have asked you to finish Facebook login. So can you guys finish this sign up? See, you know how to fill first name, surname, mobile number, or re-enter password, and you know how to select your date of birth, and only thing is you should select only male or female. So let execute a script for this one to select male or female. So you write a complete script and maybe you can show me tomorrow. Okay, so to select this one, what we need to do, we should know the position of this radio button. So click on this. So we know the position, right? Okay, so now, okay, in this one, excuse me guys. FB dot find element by dot XPath, then select the position of this one. So now we know only position. So if I, so to select this one, do we need to click or not? So if I click, then only it will be selected. Okay, so always you should know the position of this. Okay, let me execute and see.
So if we want to select the male, then we have to go to that particular position
Position,
and give the expiry.
exactly. So now if you inspect the mail, see it is different, right? Where I can show you this one. See for female it is D, for male it is E. See selected? Is it selected guys? Okay, next thing is to click on this one, create an account. So you know how to do this one. So always go with this and do click, that's it. So this is how you can do sign up, complete sign up. So better prepare a script for and show to me, and whatever you write the script, it should be executed in my mission tomorrow. Okay. So now, so we have clicked it and means it is selected, right? Okay, that we'll discuss tomorrow, not now. What else we can discuss now? Uh, I'm just thinking what should...
Please, so I have a question.
Yes, Sanchita.
all these tabs, for suppose first name and last name, do we need to go to give valid information, or any information is fine?
To select the path, you mean to say?
No, not the path, just the data. Whatever data we want to give to those particular attributes, do we need to give any valid value, or any, we
No,
can give any random value?
any random value. So, okay, to sign up in this page, right?
Yeah, because otherwise it won't take, right? If we will give some password which is not valid, which doesn't follow the, what do you call, the guidelines.
Okay, let me check once.
Actually, we give the valid password, valid message by the extracting from Excel, right? Excel sheet.
That is very, very advanced concept, Trilok.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that is, no, we'll discuss that also, do not worry.
Yeah, so see here they are actually giving some information, right? What should be the, how many digits and numbers. So we have to basically follow the.
See, I have given some numbers and it looks like you have entered the wrong info. Please make sure that you use real date of birth. It is real.
I think it's 2013. I think we have to provide something which is like 18 years of age.
Oh, okay, okay, then. So let me then change to, okay.
There are some requirements to.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just giving some, my daughter's name. Yeah, done. So it is giving SMS to this one. Okay. So it has created, see, you can see the name also. You also just give something like this, similar to this one, some random. So we should see this message, that's it. So we do not want anything else. Excuse me. So guys, for you now, so first Facebook sign up and try to fill all these things. Here select fixed dates. So here select fixed dates and make this as no, and here select some random numbers, 2 adults, 3 children, 2 infants, and here in economy select first class, and here try to enter some data on your own. So can you guys make these 2 scripts by tomorrow? And tomorrow we'll see dynamic selection. Tomorrow we see dynamic selection. Also whether these are selected or not selected also we'll check tomorrow. Because if it is not selected, we should select this one. If this is already selected, no need to select anything. So our script should be dynamic, right? So we should write in a proper way. So that we'll discuss tomorrow. Fine? So
Suresh,
yes, Rilok.
how to test the scrolling images
Scrolling
on the
images.
background? Yeah, on the background.
This part, 1 second, this part, huh?
Yeah,
Okay, this
we have to
one,
test everything, right?
yeah, you have to test everything. So only thing is what we can do is we can capture the image and compare the image.
Okay.
So whatever images we have, so take those images and compare the images. Okay. So also we should do something like, see, there are so many things in automation. So it is just whatever we are doing currently is very, very basic. If you know this one, so first one is, you know everything now, static, then dynamic, then radio buttons, then checkboxes. So we should work on checkboxes also. Once you know this, all the things, then go with the multiple windows. So sometimes what happens, if I click here or see here,
Yeah, and some pop-ups also will.
yeah, so if I get Naukri, so you will get multiple windows. Okay, so how we can handle this multiple windows? Or um,
alert is used for pop-ups, right?
yes, yes, yes.
Notifications.
So just a second, I'm just seeing some example. So you have something like alerts. How I can show you? Um, Java alerts. Yeah, see here, if I click this one, I will get message like this. So you try to inspect this one. Just a second. Yeah. So click on this one. Now try to inspect this one. Are you able to do inspect?
Actually, Suresh, whenever you're logging the Facebook, I mean, they're just opening the Facebook site, there's a pop-up on the Chrome, right, on the
Yes.
right corner.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
I tried to click that, but I'm not able to get in that.
So while executing, you mean to say this one, right?
Yeah, yeah, that's one.
So this one you have to disable few things. So these are cookies, right? So you
Okay.
can disable through script also. So do not worry about this one. We can work on this one later.
So this is not comes under pop-up.
No, no, no. Okay, these are the extensions. So you should know what are those extensions. Okay, so few things I'll show you. So this is Java alert. So remember, so when I try to inspect, are we able to inspect this one?
Yeah.
See? So even if I try to click, see, it has not given, it has given some code. Nothing else, right? See, it is not showing any code. Or if I do inspect here, see, for this one it has given code. But for this one, see, it is not giving any code. So how to handle these kind of things whenever you have? This is Java alert. So you have Windows alert also. I'll show you Windows alert. Uh, See now, this is window alert. So if you try to inspect this one, see, are you able to find? See, wherever I change, it is changing. See, correct? So this is Windows alert. So we have two types of alerts. One is Java alert and another one is Windows alert. So Windows alert is very easy to handle it. So means like normal program you can do it, but
So
Java
there
alert,
is no need for alert statement, right, for this?
come again?
We don't use alert statement for Windows alerts, right?
No, 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 no. Because it is identified, right? The location is
Yeah, yeah, got
identified.
it.
So just select this one and use click button.
Yeah.
Okay, so once we know all the things, then only we'll move on to the next level, guys. So that is my, and also this is very, very important. Generally, whenever ask you to write some script online or anywhere during the face-to-face also, most of the people will work with HDFC net banking. Why? Because just have a look here. I am selecting the customer ID. See what it has given.
Yeah.
So if I select somewhere, see everything is frame. Everything in this website is frame. So how to handle frames? So this is the most important thing. Sometimes the data whatever we are entering or whatever the links we are clicking, those will be in frames. So how to handle those kind of things when if they are under frames? So locating the frames is very important. So most of the guys will ask for this one only. So even during your interview process, see. So it is not showing. Let me show you top window. See, it is not given anything. If I select top window, it is not giving any information. If I select frame, it is giving the information. So see the difference. I am selecting the window. See, it is not giving any information. If I select the frame and press enter, it's giving the information. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see dynamic selection and how to handle radio buttons in a different thing, how to see whether they are selected or displayed. So we'll see all the things tomorrow. Okay, any doubts guys? Tejashwini, Suresh, Trilok, Vinayak, Sanchita.
No, Suresh.
So no, is it easy or is it boring? So you can give any feedback. This is not a problem. Or you are you want to go with only ETL testing or IDQ? Just let me know.
No, no, it is good
Interesting.
only. And we need little bit of, practice like But it is interesting actually.
Yeah. See, if you know this,
You can see the result immediately, right? So that's why it is interesting. And what the way we are writing the script, immediately we are able to see the result.
exactly. Yes, Sanchita. So, and work on this one for next 20 days. Okay, then you can know how to do the automation completely. So means a complete website, or how this will be useful, whatever we are learning in the automation of your retail testing. Okay, means
Okay, Suresh.
yeah, at what extent we are able to use this.
Automation is being used for the front-end applications, right? I mean, for most
Yes,
of the time.
Selenium currently is only for web application. So if you know one more thing, like if you know RPM, so this same code, but you can work on your mobile automation.
So mobile automation means on the app, the different
Yes,
mobile apps.
yes, means in the mobile, see, you have native apps, right?
Right.
Proper apps are called native apps.
Okay.
So then we have
Native
some,
apps means you means I mean which are native to that particular phone. You mean I mean like
exactly,
the operating
like,
Default apps, right?
see, assume that I am downloading Book My Show. That is an app, right? Or if I download some raga.com, so that is also app.
Okay.
So these are all called native apps. Okay, so in that native apps also, you have Chrome, right? So how to act means how to work with Chrome app, or sometimes, see, some of the what is that websites, when you open in the mobile, it will come like this.
Yeah.
Right.
So how to work with these kind of things in the mobile app? Okay, so we have three types. One is native apps and another one is web apps, and generally people will say hybrid apps. So combination of both. So how we can work? Because sometimes from the native app also you can work as a web app. So how to work these kind of things? So if you know Selenium properly, working with mobile automation is very easy. If you are interested by the time, then we go with the mobile automation. Or if you have sufficient time, by the time anyhow you guys will be busy. Okay. So first continue with IDQ and Selenium, and later we'll discuss mobile automation. Okay. Fine guys. Good day.
Thanks.
Yeah. Okay guys. Yeah. Bye.
Tomorrow at 10:30 again, right?
Sanjita, can you repeat?
Yeah. So tomorrow also at 10:30.
Yeah, it's the same time. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Bye bye.